In this video, we're going to go over how to add a new apprentice to the Illinois workNet system. Before I get started, I would like to note that I am in the test environment, so any apprentice information that you see is not real data and is used for demonstration purposes. When you log into the Illinois workNet system and click on the Customer Support Center, it's going to take you here to the Groups tab. Click Apprenticeship Illinois. Before you add a new apprentice, you will want to make sure that they are not already in the system. So I'm going to search for Thomas O'Reilly. And I can see that Thomas O'Reilly is not already in the system. So now I'm going to click the Add Customer button. It's going to ask for the first name and the last name and the date of birth. Now, because this is a demonstration, I'm going to use thomas@noemail.com. But when you go to enter in the new apprentice, you will want to make sure that you use the correct email address. Next, it's going to ask for Thomas's SSN. The intermediary information will automatically pre-fill based on your login information, and then it's going to ask for the zip code. After you've reviewed all of the information here, go ahead and click Search for Existing Customer. When someone is already in the system, it's going to give you a message that looks like this. The user could not be verified. The user's last name and birth date do not match. That means that more than likely, this user already has an account or a profile already in the system, and you're going to have to submit a help desk ticket for assistance on getting them added to the system. We are going to try a new name now to see if they are not in the system. We're going to try Miley, last name Tanner. Now it's going to look here, no results are found, but go ahead and click enter just to search, just to verify, and Miley does not show up. So let's go ahead and click add customer. Miley Tanner. Email again, Miley@noemail.com. Miley's SSN. And then the zip code. After you, again, have verified all the information that has been put in is correct, go ahead and sit and click Search for Existing Customer. Now, what this has done is we did not get the message that Miley already has a profile. So what this has done is it's created an account for Miley. It's provided the username and the password. You'll want to write down both of these for the user so that they'll be able to log into their account. Now, because Miley is, let's say, in the office with us, we are going to click Complete Initial Application with Customer. However, if you wanted to just data entry apprentices, you could hit Add Next Customer, or you could send the customer link to the initial application. There is a disclaimer that you'll want to make sure that the apprentice reads. Make sure to click on the terms of use and privacy policy agreements to make sure that they understand and agree to it. And then once all has been reviewed, go ahead and have them click I have read the terms of use and privacy policy and agree to complete the application. And then click Start New Application. So now it has given us different sections at the top: goals and current situation, education, work history, and demographic and contact information. You'll want to make sure you take the time to go through each section with the apprentice to make sure that you find the situations that apply to them. For this demonstration, I'm going to go through and click a few. After you've gone through and reviewed that all of the boxes that apply have been checked, click Save and go to Next Page. Now it's going to ask for the highest level of education. Miley only got to 8th grade, and Miley has not worked before. But again, you'll want to pick the correct option that applies to the apprentice. And finally, it's going to ask for the demographic and contact information. We have Miley's first name and last name in here. It's going to ask what name you go by. So if Miley went by a different name, or you'd want to put it here. Miley's email address, the social security number, the street address needs to be entered. It's going to ask for Miley's primary phone number. It's going to ask if it's a mobile, a home, or a work number. We're going to say it's Miley's mobile number. If there was an alternate phone number that she could also be reached at, you'd want to put that here and select which type it is. If Miley could also be reached by social media, you'd want to make sure to select the social media type and the username. It's going to ask us what gender at birth Miley was, preferred gender identification. Miley said female. Military status, none. Marital status, single. Ethnicity. And are you authorized to work in the US? We've seen a valid ID, so we're going to go ahead and click yes. Once all the information has been entered, you'll want to go back through and review it and make sure that you have captured everything that needs to be captured and it's been captured correctly. And then you'll want to click Submit Application. And this has taken us to the Intake Review tab, where we can see here at the very top, customer submits initial online application with a green box that it's complete. And Miley's profile has been completed, has been started, and now we're going to go through and complete it.